For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Bototom, Bush, youngster said that.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, what go on? I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Me know it's been a while, like a month. But you don't know what did I keep already. Me did constantly update you know. I make you know say yo, I wasn't in the best of health. But right now, me ready for the new year. And you see, as a matter of fact, you know when me I pray for the new year?
Bricks. Money, 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 money. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use my chopper phone.
And me I tell you say anybody we don't want no bricks for this year, we don't want no bricks for the 2020, me no feel like say you need to associate with them. So me I give you a second for just take up your phone, you see me, scroll in your contact list and you see all of them will now progress. Just delete them, delete them, delete them, block and delete. Cause we are set bricks. Bricks from bricks, yo, me not telling a lie. That song they bad, but me telling you happy new year to all of the Chaddy TV supporters them. You see me, the other day, me did in a Port Antonio and me have a shout out a subscriber here because the Umber just see me and it's like him I walk back and forth, him never sure if I'm me. And when I'm really sure, I'm still never really sure, still you know. But him walk up to me and say, yo, are you named Chaddy Murray? Are you there on YouTube? And that moment, me I said, Jaja, the thing I get loud. You see me? So big up yourself, Undisputed, aka Dwight.
Benji, 6 in the month. Lord God is sick, we have Zaki and this my damn man. We girl them wicked and bad. Now boy can't see we am brother.
So the artist you just hear is called Fya Doops and the song is entitled 6 Gyalis and People. May I call it from now. You see the artist here, I go burn up 2020. Uno definitely I go see my vlog more about the artist here. Fya Doops, a Portland artist. So you know so me can't live out the Portland side. No.
She love how me tough black like her, never yet bite her. Our boyfriend no stop fight her like war. No me the general like 5-star. I'm on her thugs no weenie.
So like how from the vlog here start, me mention Portland so much time. Me can't grow on the fact that them find a rat in the Portland KFC. People, wanna check out this video.
Oh yeah, the broom him. Yeah, mama.
So since then, KFC has released an official statement. You know, how them try go do damage control. Even though upon a big man level, me not feel like say the statement here did necessarily because all of that, the people them still line up in the line ready for order one barbecue singer with a coleslaw on the side. So the statement read, on Monday, December the 30th, 2019, a video circulated on social media revealed an incident involving a mouse inside a KFC restaurant in Port Antonio. Having been alerted to this sighting, the KFC team members on duty quickly removed the pest from the restaurant. The Restaurants of Jamaica ROJ team has worked assiduously to ensure that the proper measures and procedures have been being taken with regards to this matter. Following this very isolated incident, all food contact areas below the menu board were subsequently cleaned and sanitized, and any packaging which could have possibly been exposed to the pest activity was discarded immediately. Upon investigation, a single opening was discovered near the cable conduit which serviced the restaurant menu board, and it was determined that the likely entry point for the pest came from outside the restaurant. The entry point has since been sealed, and we can confirm that there have been no further pest sighting in the restaurant.
Me know say nice finger licking, yeah. Me know about the fries and the dipping, yeah. Me know about the fall and the picking, yeah. But I wait to put in night chicken, yeah. Where do I put in night chicken?
Well, I guess we finally find out when putting at the chicken. And I never chicken, a rat. But on a big man level still, me don't know how Jamaicans love KFC. So, because me I tell you now, all when the people them see the rat a run up and down over the counter in the part where the food them prepare and them thing there, the people them still a order. The people them still a order them 2 pieces of fried chicken, barbecue zinger, and all these things. It's like everybody a play bird box while this a happen. A matter of fact, you know, me see a meme like that. Me go post it now. Me gonna have a laugh as well. And it say, me still ordering my KFC after that rat ran past. Yo, people, Jamaicans are just sample still. But if you don't know where boy put in a chicken, you just tell me.
Hey, where boy put in a chicken? Hey, anyway me see me I got this him and find out when put in a chicken. Boy come and tell me about secret recipe. I go that beer and yeah mixing me.
Check out Popcaan in Ghana. I guess him so happy if he go Ghana, him definitely happy grace the ground with a kiss. Anyway, still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section, of course. Check out the links them in the description as well. You can follow me on all social media platforms, and you can look out for daily updates. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and remember, one way, any other way, at the wrong way.
Benji, 16 of the month. Lord God is sick, we have Zaki and this my damn man. We girl them wicked and bad. Now boy can't see we am brother.